Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today I'm going to discuss about integration by substitution. Okay, so let's try to understand this topic, and in my last video I have told you about integration by simplification. Okay, and this is another method by which we can integrate any function, and this is really very important topic of integration because in maximum of the question it is going to help you. Okay, so try to understand this lesson. Okay, now first of all we'll see why this integration by substitution is required. Okay, why we are going to study this thing. For example, suppose we want to integrate this function sine to the sine 5x, sine of 5x. Okay, now you know one basic formula of integration, that is integration of sine x dx is equal to minus cos x. Yes, so you can think that yes, we can integrate sine 5x also in the same way that sine of integration of sine 5x should be minus cos of 5x. Okay, but this will be totally wrong. Okay, this will be wrong. Why it will be wrong? If somebody asks you a question that, okay, suppose I'm in your class and I'm asking this question from you, that why sine 5x integration will not be equal to minus cos 5x, how you will prove me wrong? Okay, you must know this reason also, only then you will understand the correct things. Okay, the simple reason is, in my first video also I told you, whatever answer of integration you are getting, okay, for example I am claiming that this is the answer of this question, so what you do, you just differentiate this function. So what you will get here, minus cos x, cos 5x integration will be minus sine of 5x. Okay, because integration differentiation of cos x is minus sine x, and then integration differentiation of 5x will be 5. So what answer we are getting here, 5 sine 5x. But what was the question? It was only sine 5x. Yes, so it means this answer is wrong. Okay, so see, by this method you can prove or you can check that whether answer is correct or not correct. Okay, so this type of question will be required substitution. So what substitution we are going to do here? You need to understand that from this we can find two functions. What are the two functions? First is sine and another is 5x. Okay, so substitution name is telling us what we are going to do here. So we can take here either sine x is equal to t or sine 5x is equal to t, or we can take only 5x is equal to t. Okay, so suppose I am taking 5x is equal to t or t is equal to 5x. Then can we find dt over dx? dt by dx means differentiation of t with respect to x. So what will be the derivative of 5x? It will be 5. Yes. So from here we can find the value of dx also. So dx will be equal to dt over 5. Just check the calculation. Okay, I have done it little directly. Now change the integration now. What we have assumed here, we have taken 5x as t and dx will be equal to dt over 5. Now you see this 5 is a constant, so 1 upon 5 will go out of the integration, and inside the integration you will have only sine t dt. So this will be 1 upon 5, sine t will be minus cos t plus c, and put the value of t, so this will be 1 over 5 times minus cos 5x plus c. Okay, why it is important to put the value reverse again for x? Because question was given in x, it was not given in t. Okay, so like this we can solve the question by substitution. Now another problem can be in this lesson that, okay, like we have taken 5x is equal to t. So for example, suppose question comes tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, then what you will do here, in this question what different functions we can make here? We can have tan inverse x, we can have 1 plus x square, we can have 1 over 1 plus x square. Yes, so we have three functions. So what function we'll take as t or y, anything? Okay, so for this I am going to tell you a shortcut. This is just a hint. Okay, it is not any rule that you have to go with this, but yes, in maximum of the questions it will help you, and that shortcut is called I late. Okay, ILATE. So I stands for inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. L stands for logarithmic function. A stands for algebraic polynomial. Okay, any algebraic expression. T stands for trigonometric function. E stands for exponential function. Okay, so this is the hierarchy. Means if you have inverse trigonometric function in any question, then you will take that function as t. If not, then if you have log, then you will take as t. If not, for example, here we have 1 plus x square, means it comes in the category of a, because it is an algebraic polynomial. This also comes in the algebraic polynomial. Okay, like this. So this is the hierarchy only, and by this you will take as a function as t. So what you can see in this question, we have tan inverse. Yes, and tan inverse lies in the category of inverse trigonometric function. So we'll consider tan inverse x as t. What will take? Tan inverse x as t. So dt over dx is equal to, what will be the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 over 1 plus x square. Okay. Now you see, in some of the cases or in the class also I teach like this, that after assuming you can write like this directly, tan inverse x dx is equal to dt. Okay, but some students feel confusion that, okay, why we are writing like this. So it's better that you have taken as t. So just differentiate t with respect to x, and now from here we'll find the value of dx. It is just a simple cross multiplication, or by any calculation you find the value of dx. Now coming to back to the same question, tan inverse x we have taken as t. With 1 plus x square we not do anything, and then dx means 1 plus x square dt. So 1 plus x square cancelled out. Now here is the step, if you can see that whether we are doing it correctly or not. What's that check here? After when you want to move from here, then you should not have x with t. You see, we got only t dt. So if you have still x here, it means either your calculation is wrong, or something more simplification is required, or that question is not of substitution. Okay, then you will have to go with another method. Now different integration of t will be t square by 2 plus c. And what was the value of t here? Because question was in x, so value of t you will take from here. Okay, so value of t is tan inverse x whole square over 2 plus c. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Okay, what else question we can have based on this? Let's try to understand some other examples. Maybe, for example, if we want to integrate 1 over x log of x whole power 3. Okay, now here you can see what all functions, if we go with the ilet, so we don't have I here because there is no inverse trigonometric function. L means log, so you can see there is a log. Yes, so what we'll do? We'll take, let t is equal to log x. So what will be the derivative of log x? So dt by dx is equal to 1 over x. It means dx is equal to x dt. Okay, so this will be, integration will be 1 over x times log x we have taken as t, so t to the power 3. Dx means x dt. So this x and this x cancelled out. So it will be 1 over t cube. 1 over t cube integration will be log of t cube. Yes or no? Did you say yes? Okay, this is wrong, because I told you that formula is applicable only when you have log x, not any other power. Okay, so it will be written as t to the power minus 3. Now t to the power minus 3 integration will be t to the power minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1. I have written in this form so that you can correlate with the formula, that what formula I am applying here. Okay, so minus t to the power minus 2 over 2, because minus I have taken up, so I have not written down. So answer will be minus 1 over 2, value of t is log x to the whole power 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, like this you will understand and apply the substitution in various questions. Okay, so this I tried my level best to explain you, but still if you have any confusion, you can write in the comment, and definitely I'm going to explain in another way also, so that it can be interesting for you. Okay, so as I have told you in my previous videos also, that I will divide all integration lesson into various parts so that it can be smaller videos and you can understand it easily. Okay, and in my last video I will share some questions. I will try to explain how to approach a question, how to solve a question, because when you are doing the exercise, that you know that yes, this is the exercise of substitution, so we have do by substitution. But if it is mixed, then you will have to understand the method also. Okay, so if you think that it will increase your knowledge, this video will increase your knowledge, then please share with your friends and subscribe my channel if you are new. Thank you and have a nice time.